Good morning, students. Let us continue with the chapter number 4, Principle of Mathematical Induction, that is PMI. It's question number 2. Prove by using PMI for all n belongs to natural numbers. 1 its power is 3, plus 2 its power is 3, plus 3 its power is 3, plus so on, plus n its power is 3, that is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2 its whole square. So earlier in the introduction round, I have told you students how we have to use PMI to solve this type of the question, where we having the 3 step. Step number 1, earlier I have told you, that is n is equal to 1. Step number 2, that is n is equal to k. Step number 3, that is n is equal to k plus 1. We will make the use of these 3 steps to solve this type of the question here. So let us come with the solution with step number 1, that is n is equal to 1. P of 1 means principal value is 1 such that 1 its cube, first one, this one here students, 1 its cube, that is equal to, at the place of n we will put it as 1, so 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 2 its whole square. So while we will solve it, we will get it as equal to 1. So left hand side will come as equal to right hand side then students, and therefore P of n is true. When the left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we will write this P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This is the step number 1. Come with step number 2. Step number 2 is n is equal to k. I mean to say P of k such that 1 its power is 3, 2 its power is cube, 3 its power is cube, plus so on. At the place of n we will write now k its power is 3, that is equal to k into k plus 1 upon 2 its whole square. Here what we are doing students, we are taking that natural number as k now, and we will write this statement in the form of k. Let us come with step number 3, that is n is equal to k plus 1. This step is very important. So we can write it as P of k plus 1 such that 1 its cube, 2 its cube, 3 its cube, plus so on k its cube. Now students, we will make, because the next one step will be k plus 1 its cube is there, that is equal to, in the right hand side at the place of k, now we will write it as k plus 1, so it will come as k plus 1 into k plus, while you will make it as k plus 1, so it will come as k plus 2 upon 2 its whole square. So earlier I have told you student, up to here, if you will see that from the step number 2, its value is already we have. So what we will do, we will take the left hand side, up to here we will put the value of that one, that is in the step, from the step number 2. This is k plus 1 its cube. We will solve it. When we will solve, whatever the answer, whatever the value will come, that will be equal to right hand side. This is the main thing that you have to keep in your mind while you will do the step number 3. So let us see, here we will take the left hand side. So up to here, once again I am repeating, up to here we will put this value. This value is k into k plus 1 upon 2 its whole square, plus k plus 1 its cube then students. Now here any method you can apply to solve it, but what I am doing here, I check that this is k plus 1 square is there, here is also k plus 1 its cube is there. So I have taken k plus 1 its square as common, and inside what we will have, student, here it is k square, here it is 2 2s are 4 plus k plus 1 is there, like this. So now we will take its LCM. It will come as k plus 1 its whole square, and here 4 is the LCM, k square plus 4k plus 1, not 1 but 4, this one. So after that, we will solve it. Now from there, this is equal to k plus 1 its whole square, and here if you will see, students, this is the whole square of k plus 2. It is the whole square of k plus 2 upon 4. And now we can write it in the combined form, that is k plus 1 into k plus 2 upon 2 its whole square. And if you will see, students, now your left hand side and if you will see the right hand side, both are same. So we can write here left hand side, that is equal to right hand side. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true for n is equal to k plus 1. This is the way to write your answer, students. These are the 3 steps to solve this type of the questions. Let us come with question number 3rd. 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n, that is equal to 2n upon n plus 1. Here once again for this statement we are using PMI, students. So let us come with the step number 1, that is n is equal to 1. So P of 1, that is equal to 1. This is equal to, in the right hand side, 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 1. So 1, while you will solve, it will also come as equal to 1. So left hand side, that is equal to right hand side. Therefore, P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Come with step number 2. N is equal to k. So P of k, that is 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. At the place of n we will write k. Here we will write k. This is equal to 2k upon k plus 1. So this is our step number 2 then, students. Come with step number 3. That is n is equal to k plus 1. So P of k plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus this is equal to, this will come as, while we will make it as k plus 1, it will come as 2k plus 2 upon k plus 2 then, students. Now this is our left hand side, that one is the right hand side. Now once again, students, up to here, if you will see that we will put the value by using the step number 2 here, and we solve it with that one, that is k plus 1. While we will solve, it will come as equal to right hand side. So let us take the left hand side, that is equal to 2k upon k plus 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k plus 1. Here, students, that is very important, because if you see that this part that is given in the form of, here we will solve it. This is in the form of a arithmetic progression. If you will see, students, here 1 plus 2 plus 3, I am going to solve this part only here first. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k plus 1. If you will see, we have the formula Sn, that is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, that is equal to, now what is n? That is k plus 1. K plus 1 upon 2 into a is 1, an, that is k plus 1. So students, what you will get? You will get k plus 1 into k plus 2 upon 2. While we will solve it, this value will come. So I am putting this value now. I am going to solve the third part here. So let us see, once again the left hand side is now 2k upon k plus 1 plus, while you will write it here, it will come as 2 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now students, what I am doing here, I will solve it now. So if you will see, here 2 is common in both and k plus 1 also. So we will take 2 into k plus 1 as common, and you are left with k here plus, here we will have 1 upon k plus 1. 2 and 2 common, I have taken 2 outside, k plus 1 is common. So what is left there? Here we have only k is left plus, here it is 1 now, and k plus 1 I have taken outside, here it is k plus 2 then, students. Right? Now we will solve it. We will keep our mind, that is the right hand side. We have to prove it as equal to right hand side, that one. This is equal to, now here 2 upon k plus 1, we will take its LCM. K plus 2 is the LCM. So it is multiplied by this, it will come as k square plus 2k plus 1. Now students, this is 2 upon k plus 1. If you will see that this is the whole square of, but k plus 1 its whole square upon k plus 2. So it will cancel out, students. You will have now 2 into k plus 1 upon k plus 2. Or we can write it as 2k plus 2 upon k plus 2. If you will see, I have left this one as the right hand side here. If you will see that the left hand side will come as equal to right hand side. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So this is the way to solve. This is the calculation work. So it's depend upon you how much you are good in calculation work. In short steps you can do it. So this is the technique to solve such type of the questions.